Tired of unused outdoor space? Turn it into your venue's most profitable room. Introducing permanent custom stretch tent installations from Dynamic Stretch Tents. Perfect for hotels, pubs, restaurants, and homes. Create all-weather dining, events, and reception spaces. And the process is easy. Free consultation site survey. We assess space, access, and your goals. 3D CAD design renderings. Preview exactly how the installation will look and function. Our CAD renderings help customers actually see how the stretch tent will sit in their space, making it easy to understand the size, shape, flow, and coverage before they commit. Professional installation. Our expert team rigs every detail with minimal disruption. Receive aftercare and support with maintenance plans and checks to keep things performing beautifully. Book your free site survey today at dynamicstretchtents.com. Finance options to protect cash flow available through our finance partner, Blue Star Business Finance. Transform your outdoor space with Dynamic Stretch Tents.